Aircraft. Helicopters are a type of rotorcraft and can stay in one place in the air. Passenger airliners are an aircraft that transformed how we travel. We often call them jumbo jets. Cargo planes are huge and transport goods, not people. Hang gliders and paragliders are low-tech, non-powered aircraft. Ultralights are small aircraft that are quite dangerous. Hot air balloons are lighter than air aircraft. They usually use helium for lift. Airships are very large, lighter than air aircraft. Dirigibles, zeppelins, blimps are common names. Gliders are quiet aircraft that drift through the sky. You'll need a plane to help them take off. Small fixed-wing planes are usually propeller aircraft. Jets are the fastest type of aircraft and used by the military. Biplanes have double wings for added lift and stability. A seaplane has pontoons and can land and take off on water. A bush plane can land almost anywhere and is used to get to hard-to-reach places. Drones are unmanned aircraft that are very popular these days. A rocket is not an aircraft. It doesn't use air for lift. One day we will all wear and travel by jetpack. The end.